In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use AliExpress or how to buy from AliExpress if you are a dropshipper. So AliExpress is the biggest e-commerce website in the world, and the reason why people use AliExpress is because AliExpress is very cheap compared to other e-commerce websites like Amazon or Walmart. Now I am going to show you guys what I do to send the items to my customers whenever someone places an order on my store. I am going to tell you guys what I do and what I say to the seller, and I am going to show you guys every single thing you need to know about how to use AliExpress. Now the first thing, if you don't have an account, you just want to click on account in the top right and then click register, and then you can register using your Google account, or you can register using Facebook. As you can see, you can register using Facebook, Twitter, Google. Now I'm going to use Google. Now after you register, guys, now you have an account on AliExpress. Now this is how you can buy, or how you can buy if you are a dropshipper. Now you just want to select a product that you want to send to your customer. So for example, someone has purchased this item from me on eBay or Shopify or any e-commerce website. Now if you are a dropshipper from eBay or Amazon or any e-commerce website, and all you have to do, guys, is like the same process from all e-commerce websites. Now if you are dropshipping from Shopify, you can do the same thing. If you are dropshipping for eBay, the same thing. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to select which color the customer has selected when they are purchasing your order. So for example, if you have an item with different variation, then you have to select which color on the item. Now the second thing, guys, you need to do is you want to click on where it says free shipping. You want to select the country. First you have to select the country of the customer in the top. As you can see, for me, I selected Morocco, so I'm going to select United States. So after you select, guys, the country, I'm going to show you what you should tell the seller so that they can send the item with you the original price. Okay, now after you select, guys, like I said, the color or the item, click on buy now. Okay, and then what you need to do, guys, next you want to select the payment method, as you can see, and here click on modify or edit, and here you have to add the shipping address of the customer, not you. You already know this. If you are a dropshipper, you already know that you have to send the item to the customer. So you have to add here the shipping address. Click on add shipping address, and then you have to enter here the name of the customer on eBay or Shopify, and then the address, and then the state, the city, the zip code, and then the phone number. Now after you add here the address of the buyer, click on confirm. Now next thing you want to do, guys, you want to select the payment method. Okay, as you can see, select payment method here. So as you can see, I have different credit cards here. You have to add new card, or you can pay using PayPal, as you can see. Now after that, guys, what you need to do, guys, next you want to click on place order. Okay, but before you do that, guys, before you click on place order, you have to click on this. As you can see this paper with a pen. Click on it, and here say hi, I am a drop shipper, please ship the item without original price. Now that's all you need to do, guys, and then click confirm, and then click place order. Okay, now you can place order. Now if you want to get the tracking number, you have to wait like 2 days. Most sellers on AliExpress, they sell the item within 1 day to 2 days, so just be patient and come back to the same thing here. Like click on your profile in the top, and then click my orders, and here you will find all the orders that you have placed on your AliExpress account. Now after the tracking number is available, like instead, as you can see, it says here for me pay now because I didn't pay for this item. For you, it will say here, instead of edit address, you will see the track order. Click on that, and here you will find the tracking number of the order. Okay, that's exactly, guys, and then copy the tracking and then go to your eBay or Shopify and then paste the tracking number or send it to the buyer. Okay, now if this video, guys, helped you, or if you have any questions, I reply to every single comment. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like, and see you guys next video.